Welcome back to Gelato Academy.
I'm Archie, and today we're talking about one of the most powerful yet underutilized secrets to scaling your print-on-demand business, product bundling.
Let's talk about the data for a second.
Customer acquisition is difficult, so once a shopper is in your store, your primary goal is to maximize the average order value, or AOV.
E-commerce data consistently shows that offering curated bundles can boost AOV by up to 30%.
Why? Because bundling removes decision fatigue. Instead of making your customer hunt for matching items, you package them into a single, cohesive story.
It increases the perceived value for the buyer, and it multiplies your profit margin in a single click. Today, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this. We're gonna group a t-shirt with a matching mug, so when a customer buys the shirt, they automatically get the whole set. Let's dive in. From your dashboard, head over to the stores section in the sidebar. Here you'll see all the storefronts connected to your Gelato account.
So I'll click into Affogato, our merch brand, and the store we'll be working with today.
Bundles are created at the product level, so we need to pick the main hero product we want to attach our bundle to. Imagine our customer wants to buy this, the block printing t-shirt. I'll select it. You'll notice the product has 3 variants: small, medium, and large. We can create a bundle for each variant individually. This is great because it gives you full control over how you mix and match sizing and colors. Let's start with the small, and I'll click the 3-dot menu on the right. From this menu, you'll see the option to create bundle. Let's click that. First, Gelato asks how many items you'd like in the bundle. For this example, we'll keep our bundle simple with 2, the t-shirt plus 1 complementary product to complete the coffee lover aesthetic. Click Continue. This opens the Gelato catalog. You can choose the product to pair with your shirt. Posters, hoodies, tote bags, phone cases, you name it.
For our bundle, I want to pair the t-shirt with a ceramic mug.
It's one of the absolute best sellers among our drinkware customers and the perfect upsell for an A with our t-shirt. Here's the mug product page. You can see your pricing, shipping details, color options, and everything else you'd expect. To make this the second item in our bundle, I'll click Add Bundle Item Design. This brings up Gelato's design editor. This is where you'll apply your artwork to the mug to match the shirt. Let's click the circular drop zone to add our design. From the Files panel, I'll pick this block printing design we already uploaded. The design loads straight onto the mugs. You can easily resize it by grabbing any of the corner handles. I'll pull the top left out to make it bigger, and then pull the bottom right for a bit more coverage. You can also reposition, rotate, add effects, or swap the file entirely. But for this example, it looks great as is. Once you're satisfied with the design, hit Connect in the top right. Gelato instantly saves the bundle and links it directly back to that t-shirt variant. And there it is. The small variant of the block printing t-shirt now officially includes the ceramic mug as part of a bundle. When a customer orders the small shirt, they'll automatically get both products shipped together. You'd simply repeat this quick process for each variant you want to bundle: medium, large, or any other size or color you offer. Remember to update your prices, mock-ups, and other listing details. It's so simple. Think about the possibilities here. You aren't just selling products anymore. You're selling curated lifestyle packages. It's a powerful, frictionless way to cross-sell and maximize your profit on every single order. Give your customers an elevated experience without any extra fulfillment work on your end. That's it for today's lessons. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next tutorials. I'm Archie, and until next time, happy bundling.